Hey nail fam, on today's video we will do a breast cancer awareness set with all the Halloween theme and everything. So I decided to actually do a breast cancer awareness nail set. So today I will try to do my own nails on a nail form, which is a little difficult. On the previous videos, you see me doing it on tips because it makes it easier for me to control and everything. And so right now I'm using a light glittery pink on my pinky nail. I tried to make a medium sized bead starting from the end of your natural nails where your nail tip meets your nail bed, and then I try to tilt my finger down so the bead will basically run down. We're basically using gravity's help. And then I usually dry up my brush a little bit and try to brush it down because today the room was kind of cold and the um, acrylic bead was runny. So yeah, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of brushing and maneuvering the bead in this video. See, I put the bead down, brush it down, and on this finger I'm trying to do a marble ombre with pink and white, but at the end it didn't turn out looking like marble. It just turned out you're gonna see it at the end, like a little pink in the middle of that finger. It's still pretty cute. It actually turned out really good. And then yeah, on right now I'm trying to clean up my sides because the I flooded my cuticle with the acrylic bead. So yeah, make sure you don't flood your cuticles, and if you do, clean it up so it won't cause lifting in the end. So yeah, this is why I don't do nail form. It's just a lot more difficult. It's already difficult doing your own nails, and now to me, doing nail forms because I haven't done it in a while, it's just more difficult than it is. So yeah, as you can see, my brush is a little dry, and that's how I control my beads. So it won't run anymore because if your acrylic bead meets the monomer, it'll basically become wet again. So yeah, so if you do a medium to dry bead, and it stays in place, and then you want to kind of brush it down a little bit, just kind of wet your brush, and then once the monomer meets that acrylic bead, it will be a little bit more runny for you to maneuver around. So yes, you can see I'm trying to brush it down a little bit, control the side walls, make sure you control the dry side wall because you don't want your bead to be running everywhere. And this middle finger, I'm doing a pink and white ombre. Oh yeah, one more thing, whenever you apply your forms, make sure they're straight to your finger because your nails will turn out crooked. My middle finger right now that I'm doing turned out pretty crooked, and I have to do a lot of filing, and it still turned out crooked. So yeah, just make sure you line up your forms really good. See, as you can see, that one bead is a little runny, and I just kind of let it sit for a little bit and dry with my brush, push it up a little bit, and then just brush it down. If your bead is a little runny, you can always what I do is use my brush to push it up a little bit, kind of brush it up a little bit and let it sit, and then wet my brush and then brush it down. You can also use the belly of your brush to also control and everything like that. And my recording stopped for some reason, so on my index finger, my pointer finger, I use a those little glassy effect and did an ombre with that with the pink, and then it cut off again, and now I'm doing my thumb. So my thumb I'm just doing just like my pinky, just yeah, that same pink. And then I also, control your side walls, brushing it down, and building my apex. As you can see, I'm trying to keep it within the side walls, brushing it down, make sure the acrylic is not touching your skin. And whenever you're trying to clean off the acrylic, make sure your brush is dry from the monomer, and then take the acrylic away from the sidewall of the nails. So there are some points in the video I stop and look at my nail and see where do I need more acrylic. So remember, it's better to apply less and then apply to places you want after than apply too much and then you have to take it off in the ending. Right now I'm just hand filing the sides to make sure the acrylic is not stuck to my skin. Filing it down first. And after I do this, I will use my e-file to file down my cuticles and smooth out the top portion of the nails. And the bit that I'm using is a medium grit bit with safety on, and I am sorry I didn't take the sound off of this part of the video. I just missed it. Maybe a little ASMR. So yeah, usually I'm using a safety bit around the cuticles when I'm doing my own nails because you know, you don't want to touch yourself. And you can also use it to your clients, but with my clients I have more control in using the regular bit, and then it's easier to get the acrylic off the cuticle, but you use the I guess the non-safety bit, if you know what I'm talking about, the one with no round on top. And you have more control with the while you're doing another person's hand. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now because the drilling is crazy. after I drill with my e-file, now I'm top coating. Gel top coat. I don't think nobody uses a regular top coat nowadays, but hey, what do I know? But yeah, so this is gel top coat, and I will, on my middle finger, I'm gonna draw the breast cancer ribbon. Draw 4 of them. It's really easy, you know, you're just drawing the ribbon. I usually do the top round first, and then I ring it around, and then draw the legs of the ribbon. And you can put your own style to it if you like. After I drew all the ribbons on my middle finger, I did do a one big ribbon on my thumb. For some reason it didn't record, so I drew it with gel polish, and then I coated with some clear acrylic, and then I cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then it creates this kind of 3D ribbon figure. So yeah, this is my nails. Please subscribe if you like, and comment to see another video. Thank you.